Hi guys, you may wonder why I'm here with Boxy charm boxes. I have some other ones as well. As a photographer, why am I gonna unbox and show you what I have and what I got in these subscriptions? Well, it's simple. As a beauty photographer, there is a lot of looks that I'm interested in creating, and sometimes just buying new makeup, seeing new makeup gives me ideas and inspiration. So my thoughts are that as I unbox these each month, I'm going to compile a list of products that I want to use and then do a beauty shoot that incorporates some of the products in here, but knowing me, it's not going to be in a conventional manner. It's going to use them on the face somehow and create a beauty look. So, some of the ones that I've gotten are the Boxy charm, and I have the base, the luxe, and the premium that I will go through, but I'm going to start today, actually. Need to see what box it. Okay, this is the base box. This is the first opening of the May 2021 Boxy charm base box that I was given. Actually, I'm subscribed to, so we're gonna do that one first. All right. So now, not being a makeup artist myself, I just like to create cool things on my own sometimes. So it's more like painting a face. I don't know a lot about these products. Oh, but the skincare stuff I'm hoping to use for me. And some of the makeup will be incorporated into my own personal collection. And some not. But anyway, a lot of people do these box unboxing to say, and there's already been a bunch of them out there for May, so you probably already know that it's Flourish for May. And there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in the box for my base box. I'm not going to go into particulars. All the other YouTube videos will tell you how much they actually are worth. Yeah, I might kind of tell you, but see, I don't have my glasses on, and otherwise I'm going to be doing this every time Googling, and I still might do that. Let's try it. So the first product, which I'm really happy that they gave me because I want this for me, it's a Murad Night Cream. Google this. Murad Overnight Detox Moisturizer. I think it's good for any skin type, which I have incredibly sensitive skin, so we're really hoping this is a good product for me. Any skincare that I get in here, like when I filled out my questionnaire, is specific for me, but then for makeup I kind of asked for vibrant colors and stuff. So this actually retails, and I remember watching some of the videos, for $74. It's really, really cute. So I'm putting this on the shelf for myself, and I'm going to try this every night and see how it works. That's the first item. So the second item is a Mellow Liquid Lip Gloss. Let's look this up. Google. I'm just going to keep my glasses on. What the heck? Mellow Liquid Gloss. I think that is the color I got exactly that is on here. Oh, nice. Matte liquid. You guys can see this. It's really nice. Really, really nice. I like that a lot. I'm trying to pull up to see what color it actually is. Ultra Creamy Lipstick provides highly pigmented color. It looks like the one that I got is Ibiza. Does it say on the box? Probably does, but even with my glasses, of course, I can't really see. But matching the color on, oh yeah, matching the color online, this is probably Ibiza, and it's really pretty. This is the color I would actually use myself, for sure. Ooh, I do like that. You can kind of say that. Nice. Okay, that might be for me and not for... because it's more neutral. Anything more neutral, of course, I'm probably gonna keep. That's just for me. Ooh, another skincare item. My daily dose... can't talk. My daily dose of Uplift. I did see this in a lot of other people's, and I was hoping I would get this from me. It's a cocktail of collagen, hyaluronic acid encapsulated serum, and I definitely want to put this into my skincare routine. And again, I think it is good for sensitive skin as well. I'm going to read more about it, but it is just like everybody else had in the cutest little jar ever. So yeah, that one definitely is going to go into my skincare routine. So 3 for me, and we don't have anything for a model yet. Oh wait, this might be, hold on. This is a shadow flip. Now this is one of those painted eye creams, and this is definitely going to be something, oh yeah, that I'm probably going to end up using on a beauty look, because you can actually use this anywhere on the face for beauty. And I remember watching a video that somebody did, and there's so many colors to this. It's not just one color. Once you build it up, I don't know if you can tell, when you turn your hand, there's different colors through there. It's really pretty. This is gonna go into the box for some photo fun. Alright, let's see. And this one I did once, probably for photo shoots and for me though, because it's a neutral. I think it's a neutral. It's Cab Day and Night palette, I believe. And I think, ooh, this is cool, that this one is more neutrals than anything else, which is not bad, because Basic Beauty, you do use a lot of neutral colors. Ooh, that is really pretty, but these are also all the colors that I would use on any given day for myself. They are beautiful. Wow, okay. Mirror Cab Day and Night eyeshadow palette. Beautiful. Okay, so 2 for photo shoots, kind of. And 3.5 for me. But that was my May Flourish base box. Alright,